Hello guys, in this video I will tell you the top 6 hidden tips and tricks about Google you probably don't know. So let's get started. So guys, when you search something on Google, suppose that can be anything, and then there are like searches, you see the result of searches, there are multi option that you can select, and what we do usually is to right click on one and then we open it in a new tab. So it takes a long time, like you should right click on each of the result and then select the option to open it in a new tab. So will it be easy if we just click and it automatically open in a new tab? Yes, that is possible. So how you need to do it? First you need to go to the setting, which you will find at the right bottom corner. When you click on the setting, then there is an option of search setting. When you select search setting, then there will be an option where result open. So there you will find a box. You can tick that which say that select result in a new browser window. So each selected result will be open in a new browser window. So when you click on it and then go back to your search result, you can search anything in the search result and then you just click on it and it will automatically open in a new tab. Isn't it interesting, right? So guys, the second tip is that when you have a huge number, like a large number, and you're not good at math and you're unable to say it like in mathematical form, so what you need to do is just go to the Google and then you should just put the number there. And when you put the number there, after the number you just put the sign equal and then type English. And when you click on the search, it will actually tell you the exact thing which you're unable to pronounce it like in a mathematical way. So that thing will give you the exact thing that how you will say it, the large number like in millions and billions, and how you can say it. So that is a very useful tip as well. You can use that as well. So guys, another very important tip is the pronunciation. If you have difficulty to pronounce any word in English and you're like feel hesitant to ask anyone that how this word is pronouncing because you feel embarrassment, so the best thing is just put in the Google search bar, just put the word there, just type it and then say pronunciation or pronounce. So Google has the option that it will pronounce the word in a very proper way. So you just select like this, just select the word and then just put pronunciation and search it. When you search it, as you can see the word, there is like a logo of volume. Just click on it and then you will hear the right pronunciation, and that way you can also work on your pronunciation or different word. You can learn from that. So that is also a very useful tip if you want to learn more good pronunciation. So guys, another very important tip is that whenever you search anything on Google search bar, and you can see there is like a top 10 search result in that one page. So did you ever think about that we can increase the number of search results? So yes, that is possible. Just do one thing. Click on the setting that you will find at the right bottom corner, and when you click on that, there you will click on search settings. After search setting, you will see an option that click on result per page. So when you click on result per page, there you will find the option that you can customize it by number, like if you put 20 or 30 per page, so it will show you 20 result or 30 results, whatever number you selected. So once you select it, like if we select 20 here, and then we click on save, so save the setting and then go back and search anything on Google search bar. When you search it, you will see that on the first page you will now see 20 search results. So isn't it amazing? You can make it 30 or 40 or 50 as well. It's up to you. So guys, the next option is for the parents who want to keep an eye on their kids and they want to block certain content from them on Google search, like when they search something 18 plus or any other inappropriate things, so they can just block that. So how they will do it: first click on the setting, and then when you click on the settings, you will find an option search settings. So when you click on search settings, there you will find an option save search filter. So All you need to do is to turn it on. When you turn it on, and then click on save the settings, and then whatever they will click, that the options will be filtered and they cannot see 18 plus content. So that's where you can save the search result from your kids, like that way you don't need to keep an eye on them. It will be automatically, like, everything will be filtered and they will not see anything like the bad content on Google. The next step is, which is very easy, but sometimes it's very important, that some people want to search things on their native language. So how to change the language on Google search settings? So just go to the setting first, and when you click on the settings, then again you should click on the search settings, and when you click on the search settings, there you will find the language option at the left side. So when you select or click on the language, and then there are options for your language. If you can find your native language or the language you are good at and you want to find the search result and that language, so you can just select that language, and then when you search anything, that results will be shown in the same language. So guys, tell me in the comment section below that which tip you don't know, and the one who you already know, please let me know in the comment section and I will reply to you. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel and like this video as well. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.